Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make a beautiful planter hanging. So take all these dry twigs and combine all of them together using a rope. Then tie in this empty bottle on the top of it, fill it with water, put your money plant and it's done. We're going to combine these sticks and make a shape of star. Now we're going to paste it using hot glue gun, cover their sides using jute, make star shape, make flowers like this, put all of them together and your star hanging is ready. Take this paper cup, make multiple cuts using scissors, spread it and braid this jute rope around it, put it around those cuts, fold it like this, gently open it. Now make the handle, paste all of them together and look, your jute basket is ready. Mark a line on this empty container, cut it and we are going to paste these jute ropes around it, cover it using these beautiful lace like this. Here we are making a tissue box, so cut it and paste a fabric at the base. We are going to combine all of them together, put tissues inside and look, your tissue box is ready. We are going to paste double-sided tape on this empty glass bottle. Now cover it using jute rope like this. We are also adding more colors like we are doing here. Paste a beautiful lace, fill it with water, put your plants inside and look, your planter is ready. Take this empty container, mark line on it, cut it using scissors. Now we are going to paste this beautiful fabric on the top of it using hot glue gun, cut the extra part, cover the base as well. Now we are going to paste these green small sticks around the container using hot glue gun. After this we are going to cover it using these beautiful two different color of rope like this. Roll it around those sticks. Now we are going to bend it and give it a shape of basket and continue covering it using this beautiful rope like this. Roll it, now cut the extra rope. Now we are going to give it a final touch. So we are going to tie knot and make a beautiful shape like this and paste it on the top of the basket. Tie a knot like this and make a bow and it's ready. Paste double-sided tape and paste this beautiful floral fabric on the top of it. Cut the extra part. Now paste these sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this we are going to cover the base. Paste this beautiful jute fabric. Then we are going to cover it using this white thread like this. Braid it, put it around those sticks and cover the basket like we are doing here. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now cut the extra sticks using a cutter. Here we are also putting this beautiful stick around the boundary by covering it using white thread like this. Paste it. Now we're going to paste this beautiful flower fabric surround it like this and add more details like we are pasting this beautiful lace around it. Here we are making tissue box, so we are making the lid of it. So cut the shape and paste all of them on the top of this fabric like this. Cut it, paste all of them using hot glue gun. Cut the center part as well. Make multiple cuts and paste it on the back side like we're doing here and put it on the top of it. It's done. Then we are going to paste more sheets like this. For more detail we are going to cover the bottom part as well. Add more decoration like we are doing here. Paste these lace around it. Add more decor piece like this thread and look, your tissue box is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.